Swim! Swim!
Watch as the dangerous floodwaters sweep these 4 people away. In a race against time, our team is there and my producer, urging them to swim for their lives until they reach safety on higher ground. The group rushing to a shelter in the eye of the storm, racing to safety before the dangerous winds return.
Follow me, take your time.
Scenes like this undoubtedly playing out across the Bahamas in the wake of deadly Hurricane Dorian.
The devastation here is breathtaking. You can see that building behind me. It has collapsed. And look at this yacht on the ground resting up against this condo.
That's the front porch. The water is about 6 feet.
The rising floodwaters pouring into people's homes. This video showing the water breaching a second-floor apartment, creeping up the stairs and slamming into the window. The water so high, only rooftops were visible. And in this home, the floodwaters coming up the stairs. The furniture bobbing in the water. Ezra King and his cousin have been using a bulldozer to rescue people from their homes and take them to shelters. Category 5 storm shredding home after home. The Salvation Army estimating up to 13,000 have either been damaged or destroyed. The Coast Guard sending helicopters to rescue about a dozen people. WPLG reporter Janice Fernandez describing the apocalyptic scene.
But it truly does. It looks like a bomb just went off. Mother Nature is so much more powerful than I could ever imagine.
Rescuers receiving thousands of distress calls, but the floodwaters too dangerous to traverse.
It is extremely dangerous. I've never seen anything like this before in my entire life.
The Freeport, Bahamas airport submerged. Residents returning to what's left of their community, now covered in debris for as far as the eye can see. Boats and cars littering the street, now a familiar scene.
And you can see the power of this storm. Trees have been snapped as well left on its top. Just absolutely incredible damage.
Officials telling residents to stay indoors, keep hammers ready in case they have to escape the attic.